Hello, passive income investors and growth investors. Well, welcome to today's update on SCHD. Today's update is going to be on the price after stock split, which is going to happen tomorrow. Effective after market close on October 10th, 2024, this ETF will undergo a 3-for-1 share split. The ETF share split will apply to shareholders of a record as of the close of the market on October 9th, 2024, payable after the close on the market on October 10th, 2024. Share will begin trading at their post-split price on October 11th, 2024. Forward share split increases the number of shares outstanding and decreases the net asset value per share. The share split will not change the total value of shareholders' investment. When Schwab made an announcement on share split, I made a video about this topic. So if you are interested to know full story about this, just make sure you watch a video in the link below. If you are considering buying SCHD before a split, I think it might be too late as of today. Now let's look at the Schwab trading price of today. It has ranged between $83.96 to $85. Closed at $84.95 and aftermarket shows about $84.98. 52-week range is between $66.67 to $85.24. After split, this is going to be the lowest price we've ever seen. The only time that it was below $30 during December 1st, 2011, many years ago. To get approximate price is going to be trading on Friday. What we're going to do is we're going to take $84.98 divided by 3. That will give us $28.33. So how many shares are you going to get if you have $50,000 using that price? This is a spreadsheet on the share price you're going to get versus how much you're going to invest. For example, if you invest $50,000, you're going to get 1,765 shares, and annual income will be 1,725, and it's going to be from $50,000 all the way to $250. At $250, you're going to get $8,000 $472. That's annually. So it doesn't sound big, but if you compound this amount of money, if you, let's say for example, you take this and you reinvest and you've been compounding for many years, even with $50,000, it's amazing how that compound will make you a millionaire within just few years. And if you're interested to know how you're going to be a millionaire using only $50,000 or even less, check my other video I made on the compounding interest on this ETF. This is just a quick update on SHD post stock split price, which is going to be $28.33. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a like and share with someone who might be interested to see this video. And also don't forget to subscribe, because as a subscriber, you're always going to get this type of update on SHD or any other type of ETFs. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.